Today, I'm going to show you how to use the shower at the Curtis Hotel in Buffalo, New York. The first thing you do when you get to the shower is you're going to turn it on by pushing this button. Once you push that button, you will know it's on by the control panel lighting up, and of course the water will turn on automatically once that button is pushed. In this shower they have a typical traditional shower head, a rain shower head, and behind you a handheld wand that you can adjust up and down on the post, or take it off and use it on the bench while you're getting power washed by the body jets. And there's the body jets. Okay, now let's adjust everything. This top button is also a dial for the temperature as indicated by the red lights. Remember the button in the beginning of the video? When you turn the dial, the more red lights, the hotter the shower is. It even shows you the number in degrees. The numbers 1 to 4, we'll get to that in a second. This button here is a pause button. So if you want to save water and wash your bits, or just do it so you can actually lather up, because believe me, you can adjust this shower to feel like you are showering in the nearby Niagara Falls. This will help you with that. This button is also a dial. The blue lights indicate the current pressure. When you turn the dial, it flashes to what you're trying to set the pressure to. The more blue lights, the more pressure you have. As the pressure builds, the blue lights flash and turn solid once the pressure is reached. These buttons control each individual shower head. Each shower head can have its own pressure and temperature. You can turn them on or off. This button here, this arrow button, just switches between the screen that shows you the temperature and which shower heads are running. See if we wanted to change number 4. You want to change number 3, turn off the pressure, turn it on. I turn down the body jets a little bit. Sometimes I turn it up because they hit you with laser precision. Right there. Yep, right there. Anyways, that's it for this video. And remember, next time you turn the shower on, it's going to be exactly what you had it set at before. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, because this is going to be the first of a new series that I'm teasing. It's going to be called The Next Destination. So join me in finding out what the next destination will be. Thanks for watching.